obviously disappointment. We had hoped that we would be admitted to these proceedings in order to ensure that the widest and most generous articulation of women's and babies' rights would be articulated in this case.
Did you think, had you gotten an indication from yesterday that perhaps it wasn't going to go your way, or were you holding out hope?
No, I think that any application to be a friend of the court, which is what amicus curiae means, is always something that is at the total discretion of the court. It's a difficult thing to be admitted to a case like this, and particularly when Judge O'Donnell made clear that there are so many other groups that might also be similarly interested.
Are you concerned that the case now will go ahead without your input, or do you feel that the rights of the unborn won't be examined enough?
Well, I think that we certainly have got a wealth of expertise going back a quarter of a century at this point in relation to the law, national and international, in this area. I think it would have been a benefit to the court, but the court found otherwise, and the court has assured us that there will be the widest possible articulation and the greatest amount of expertise available to them. So we have to be assured by their decision. What made us bring this application at this time, though, is something that's very important, Orla, and that is certain statements that have appeared in the media from, quote, sources close to the government, unquote, or, quote, sources familiar with the government's legal advice, unquote, which indicated that the state was going to be pushing the court to give a decision that the unborn have no rights other than those in Article 43.3. And once we saw that, I'm afraid the decision had to be taken that we wanted to have a statement in relation to that from the court. I am assured by the court that it will make sure that the interests of all parties are fully represented.
You're obviously watching the appeal with, interest now, because a lot hinges on it.
A lot does hinge on it, yes.